If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Outlook 2026, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted subscriptions linked to your Outlook account. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Outlook website or open the Outlook application. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and selecting View Account or Account Settings. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Click on this option to view all active subscriptions associated with your account. Step 4. Identify recurring charges. Review the list of subscriptions to identify any that you wish to cancel. Take note of the details such as the billing cycle and next payment date. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Outlook account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support for help.